If you use Linux meant for content creation, video editing, thumbnails, audio recording, or even 3D work, you really don't need expensive software anymore. There are some amazing free apps available right inside Linux Mint that can completely transform your workflow. In this video, I'll show you some of the best creator apps you can install on Linux Mint right now. These are beginner-friendly, easy to install, and perfect for YouTubers, designers, editors, students, and even professional creators. So, let's get started. The first app is Kdenlive. Kdenlive is one of the best free video editors available for Linux. It's clean, powerful, and surprisingly easy to use once you understand the basics. You can cut videos, add transitions, use effects, work with multiple tracks, add background music, titles, subtitles, and even render videos in high quality for YouTube. The best part is that it works very smoothly on Linux Mint, especially if you have decent hardware acceleration enabled. To install Kdenlive, simply open the Software Manager, search for Kdenlive, and install it. Once installed, you can drag your clips directly into the timeline and start editing immediately. If you're a YouTube creator moving from Windows software like Filmora or Premiere Pro, this is probably the best place to start on Linux Mint. Now, let's move to OBS Studio. OBS Studio is essential for anyone creating videos, tutorials, live streams, or screen recordings. This is the software many professional YouTubers and streamers already use every single day. With OBS Studio, you can record your screen, webcam, microphone, gameplay, and even create multiple scenes with overlays and transitions. For Linux tutorial channels, OBS is honestly one of the most important apps you can install on Linux Mint. You can record your Linux Mint desktop in full quality with very little performance impact. Installing it is simple. Open the Software Manager, search for OBS Studio, and install it. After launching it, create a new scene, add a display capture source, and you're ready to record your desktop. You can even record in 60 FPS for smooth tutorials. Next is Audacity. Audacity is a lightweight but extremely useful audio editor. If your microphone audio sounds noisy, low volume, or unclear, Audacity can help clean it up very quickly. You can remove background noise, boost vocals, cut unwanted parts, and export clean audio for your videos. A lot of creators record their voice separately in Audacity because it gives better control over audio quality. Again, installation is very easy from the Software Manager. Even if you're completely new to audio editing, the interface is simple enough to learn quickly. Now let's talk about Upscayl. Upscayl is one of the coolest AI-powered apps available on Linux right now. It can improve low-quality images and make them look sharper and higher resolution. This is incredibly useful for thumbnails, old screenshots, blurry wallpapers, or compressed images from the internet. The interface is very simple. You choose an image, select the AI model, and click Upscale. In just a few moments, the image becomes noticeably cleaner and sharper. And the best part is that everything runs locally on your PC, no online uploading required. This app is becoming very popular among Linux creators because it saves time when working with graphics and thumbnails. Next is Pinta. Pinta is a simple image editing application that feels lightweight and beginner-friendly. Think of it like a clean alternative to Paint.net on Windows. You can use it for quick thumbnail edits, annotations, arrows, text, cropping, resizing, and simple graphic work. Not everyone needs heavy software for every task. Sometimes you just want something fast and easy, and Pinta does that very well. It launches quickly and works perfectly on Linux Mint. If you make tutorial thumbnails or quick social media graphics, this app is genuinely useful. And finally, Blender. Blender is one of the most powerful open-source creative applications in the world. This software is used for 3D modeling, animation, visual effects, simulations, rendering, and even movie production. Now, honestly, Blender has a learning curve, but once you start understanding it, you realize how insanely powerful it really is. Many creators use Blender for intro animations, cinematic scenes, product renders, and motion graphics. And yes, it runs beautifully on Linux Mint. Even though it's completely free, Blender is powerful enough for professional work. So, if you ever wanted to explore 3D creativity on Linux, this is the app to install. And there you go. These were some of the best Linux Mint apps for creators. Whether you make YouTube videos, edit audio, design thumbnails, record tutorials, or create 3D content, Linux Mint already has excellent free tools available for almost everything. And honestly, that's one of the best things about Linux. You get powerful creator software without subscriptions, without restrictions, and without unnecessary bloat. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and keep exploring Linux Mint. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.